Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and you love home decor DIYs, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you don't miss another video. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how I made these two beautiful, quick and easy DIYs. So go ahead and keep on watching the video if you want to see how I made them. But before we get started, let's go ahead and give a big thank you to Scentbird for sponsoring today's video. If you have not heard from Scentbird, they are a monthly subscription service where you order fragrances every month for just $15. If you're like me and you like to switch it up, this is totally for you. They have a ton of selection from different designer and brand name perfumes, and they come in this really cute case. As you see here, it looks like a little lipstick, and all you do is twist it up and then you just spray it and you get your scent. It has a cute little belt at the top. I love this so much. It's so beautiful. This is what the actual bottle looks like. The first one that I received this month is this Prada, and the full size, it's a full size bottle, you guys. It's not a simple size. It has about 120 to 140 sprays, which will last you the entire month. And if you don't use it every day, you can start collecting them and have different scents for different occasions and switch it up. This smells so good. It smells just like the brand name, and it lasted the entire night when I sprayed this on. This is the other fragrance that I got. It came in this white case. It had like a little sparkle to it. You guys know me and sparkles. Hello. And this is the Burberry Brit Sheer. Smells amazing. Love it. The other one that came in this really pretty teal case is the Versace Bright Crystal. So as you can see, every month you will get a new case, and it's super portable. You can put it in your purse. You can have it set out as like a little collection. It's so pretty. So be sure to check out my link below, which will give you 30% off your first order. So your first month is only going to be $10, and you get to try out any designer fragrance that you want from the website. So it's a super awesome deal. Remember, the best way to support me and my channel is by checking out my sponsors. So now let's go ahead and get into this DIY. I'm going to be starting off with these pieces of cardboard that you see here. And I'm going to cut them to size to fit one of those Dollar Tree square mirrors. So I stacked them to the height that I wanted. You can use any piece of cardboard that is thick enough so that you don't have to stack as many. And all I'm going to do is use some hot glue to put them all together. Once I had the height that I wanted, I'm going to be using the super sparkly crystal, crushed crystal sheet that I ordered on Amazon. And it also comes in a ribbon size. So I just measured it, and then I used my X-Acto knife to cut it using the other side of the sheet. It's kind of like a sticky pad, and that's the best way that I found to cut it. Scissors don't work as well. So I just kind of trimmed all the excess cardboard off the entire thing, and then I used my hot glue to stick it on basically. Now as you can see here, the piece that I have was not enough. I did have to order some more to finish the whole thing, but it makes such a beautiful impact. So I went ahead and used the hot glue all around. And then you have something that looks like this. And then all that is left to do is to glue on your mirrors. Now you can glue a mirror on the top and also at the bottom, so that if you're laying this on a mirrored surface, like if you have a house like mine with a ton of mirrored stuff, you're not gonna get the reflection of the cardboard. I went ahead and repeated the process for a smaller piece. And here's the final result. This is so gorgeous and sparkly. You guys know me and the sparkliness. It's just out of control. mirrored and shiny stuff is my jam, and this can be used for anything. You can use it as a riser, you can display your favorite perfume on it, you can display whatever you would like, you can put candles on it. I think it's so gorgeous and so beautiful. You can definitely use this just about anywhere to display anything that'll fit on it. And now for the next DIY, I'm going to be using the Dollar Tree mirrors. I also wanted to show you guys the new Dollar Tree mirrors that I see are smaller and don't have the beveled edge, which is kind of sad, but that's what they carry right now. I don't know if your stores have switched it up, but mine definitely has. So I'm going to go ahead and glue 2 of the old bigger mirrors together, and I'm going to be making 3 sets of those. Next, I'm gonna take my Dollar Tree napkin rings and I'm gonna glue 3 of them to each other. And then I'm gonna be gluing that set of 3 onto one of the mirrors. Now, using hot glue for the video, remember when using mirrors for anything, use E6000 or something stronger because the hot glue will 100% pop right off. So my third set I ended up gluing in the back. What I would recommend here is to glue the napkin rings first if you're doing it like mine on both sides, so that way everything's even, because afterwards I noticed that mine were not quite as even as I would like. Now that everything is glued together, all that was left to do was to use my crushed rhinestone ribbon, and again I just measured how much I needed and cut a little strip with the scissors, and then I used my X-Acto knife to cut the long strip, and then I used my hot glue to secure it on all the edge. So I did it all along all the edges, all the way around. And here's the final look, you guys. So I'm using this to hold my pens in my office, and I think it looks so beautiful. You can do anything with it. Here it is without those napkin rings on there, where you could just use it kind of like as a display or, you know, just a decorative piece. But you can also make it functional by adding the napkin rings and put your really pretty pens in there or whatever you want to have out, and I think it looks just gorgeous. And that is it, you guys, for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Scentbird's link down below and get your 30% off today. And I thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you in my next one. God bless and bye-bye.